I'm Travis, one of the co-founders of Gravitational Marketing.
And I'm Jimmy V, the other co-founder of Gravitational Marketing.
Gravitational Marketing started in 2004, and so we help businesses of all kinds, all shapes and sizes, really define their uniqueness and really figure out what makes them special, what their competitive advantage is, and then use those elements to naturally attract customers to their business.
We focus on lead generation for clients who have sales teams generally that need leads to keep those sales teams fueled and moving forward. We work in several verticals. One of our main verticals is automotive. So we have dealer clients all over the US and Canada. So anybody who's really looking to fuel a sales team with leads, that's what we do.
Our background is traditional linear media, radio, broadcast television, and then, of course, that evolved into paid search and paid social and landing page optimization, conversion rate optimization. But we're always seeking new opportunities, which when we learned about Genius Monkey and the opportunity they brought to give us an opportunity for expanded reach and expanded frequency that could support existing campaigns and take clients who were looking to grow, but quite honestly we're using every opportunity that we already had brought to them. They were hungry for more. And Genius Monkey became a gateway to the more that they were looking for and gave us an opportunity to get their message out in front of a broader part of the audience and increase the frequency across the board. Our clients working with us and with Genius Monkey have been really, really pleased with the results where they've enjoyed the benefits of that expanded reach and expanded frequency.
We've always taken a media agnostic kind of approach to marketing. We jump in, look at the client, find out what's unique about them, determine then who they're looking for to reach, and then try to find the media that's going to allow us to reach that client in that target audience in the most efficient and effective way. Efficiency is one of our core values, as is results. So we're always looking for the most efficient way to generate the maximum result. And over the years, with certain verticals and certain clients, we've definitely leaned heavily on broadcast media, traditional radio, television, and paid social and search. So those have always been major drivers for us in terms of lead generation for our clients. But as things evolve, the media landscape evolves, and as our clients' needs evolve, and many of our clients are actually dominating several of those other media sources and are still looking for additional opportunities for leads and sales. So that's what got us looking around saying, what else can we offer in an efficient and effective way? And that's what led us to Genius Monkey. Genius Monkey gives us an opportunity to provide more opportunity to our clients in a unique and creative way to attract the type of clients that they're looking for and do it in an efficient and results-oriented manner.
One of the hallmarks of our approach is dominance. This is why clients like to work with us. We help them dominate in whichever media they're going to operate in. We really like to stay away from what a lot of people call spray and pray, a little bit here, a little bit there. And that's difficult these days because audience fragmentation has become a really serious concern in the advertising space in the last decade. And where you used to be able to find your entire audience on a handful of channels, now they're spread around over literally tens of thousands of channels. And so in order to continue dominating as a strategy, we can no longer continue to rely on a handful of media. And so that's one of the great competitive advantages of Genius Monkey, and through programmatic advertising, we're able to reach into those thousands of different channels, but make sure that we're still dominating in the minds of the audience.
Specific target,
right?
Yeah.
And so that our clients' messages are coming through with very high frequency and with great effect, and that's ultimately the goal for us and our clients. Before we were working with Genius Monkey, the people who are executing the best and most effectively and efficiently, they reach a point of saturation in the marketplace. Most of our clients work in local markets, and so you can reach a point of saturation in the marketplace in a media where you run into diminishing marginal returns of additional investment in the media in the market, where any additional money spent on radio would more or less be wasted, or any additional money spent on search would be wasted. Like you're capturing all of, you have zero search loss impression share. You're capturing all the impressions in social media that are available. Buying as many GRPs that are reasonable in broadcast television, but they still want to keep growing. They still have goals to hit. They still need more leads. And so we needed to find additional avenues, additional ways to reach the parts of the audience that we weren't able to reach through the traditional media that we were leveraging up to that point. What Genius Monkey brought to the table was access to the entire market, but also pockets of the market that we really weren't able to access through the other media channels.
And it lets us do it in a simplified platform that allows us to access multiple media channels all easily and quickly from the dashboard. So it's simple to set up and then simple to execute. And they're always there, phone call away, to give us advice and help on setting up accounts and setting up creative and targeting that will help our clients reach the people that we're trying to reach.
The clients that we've helped implement programmatic advertising for through Genius Monkey experienced an immediate uptick in business. They were able to notice the change and see the ROI, and recognize, like in one particular case, I know that the first month with Genius Monkey, they reported their best month, their record month. And so, really the only change that we made for that client was to expand the media and add this new programmatic advertising that they hadn't been using before. As far as setting up campaigns, they really use a very collaborative approach. We bring them the targeting information that our targeting goals, the audience that we're trying to reach, right? And the campaign outcomes, and they really take it from there and make recommendations and how to best achieve the goals that we're laying out, and what targeting strategy is going to be most effective. There are some platforms that you can get into and sort of go in there and pull all the levers and push all the buttons, and that can become overwhelming really quickly for an advertiser or for an agency. And Genius Monkey really
simplifies it.
Yeah, simplifies it, lets you have a human-to-human interaction and a simple business conversation, and then they really take it over from that point to handle the technical details.
I mean, frankly, it's quite genius.
Even a monkey could do it.
That's true. So one of the things that we teach our clients is that they should aim to be omnipresent. Wherever their target market is engaging in media, they should show up so that there's a connection between the target audience and the business. Our clients, through Genius Monkey, we were able to add an additional layer of that omnipresence to what we were already doing through traditional media methods. And Genius Monkey allows us to really pinpoint the people that we're looking for and put that message in front of them in places that in the past have been non-existent or impossible to reach. So it's been a real compliment for us to be able to pair Genius Monkey with the traditional media and the traditional search and social that we normally use for our clients. One of the things we love about Genius Monkey and the platform is that not only do we have access to great results and great KPIs and clear metrics, but we don't actually have to do all the button pushing that's required to get those results. Their team makes it plug and play for us to create campaigns and execute them with high degree of effectiveness. We have a team here, we have digital strategists, we have media buyers, and all of those people work every single day on the accounts for our clients. When we wanted to add programmatic advertising, as the business owners, we didn't want to just add additional staff so that we could provide additional resources to our clients. We found Genius Monkey, and Genius Monkey allows us to provide those additional resources to our clients, allow us to provide a greater degree of results and effectiveness, and we don't have to employ as many people to get that job done. If we were going to do that in-house with a platform that was a manual platform, the learning curve and the manpower that would be required to execute that here in-house would be dramatically higher barrier of entry But Genius Monkey lets us jump in with their plug-and-play approach. We can work with their team, and not only does our team learn and improve with working on programmatic accounts, but they're doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes, which allows us to deliver the results without all of the headache. The thing we really love about the Genius Monkey dashboard is that they've helped us customize the dashboard and reporting specifically to allow us to show our clients the data that we need to show them to prove the effectiveness of the campaigns that we're running. For clients that don't have a lot of experience in advertising and marketing, or don't really have a lot of time to spend digging through data, the dashboard is clean and clear and really helps our team educate the client on what's going on inside the campaign and show them the effectiveness that it's generating for them at any given moment in time.
And in our case, we wanted to break down the different types of conversion activities that mattered most to our clients. And so the Genius Monkey team helped us specify the different types of conversions and sort of put them into categories or buckets that identified, we could identify by value, the various different types of conversions that mattered to us and to our clients. And those were unique to our use case. And they helped us, customize the dashboard to present that information clearly and cleanly. So, one of our clients has actually reported a 30% year-over-year increase in sales after implementing the Genius Monkey programmatic advertising strategy. So obviously they're pleased with that. And that's an example where they had really already capped out the traditional media options available to them in their market, and we're looking for additional avenues, ways to expand. As an agency, it's always nice to hear that a client wants to give you more budget, but when you get more budget, you've got to find a way to use it. And not just use it to spend it, you've got to invest it wisely so that you can get a good positive return on that investment. And that's what clients are expecting of us all the time, and we have an obligation to deliver that to them. And it's platforms and tools and companies like Genius Monkey specifically here that help us bring that promise that we've made to our clients, to life and to deliver on that promise. And so that's important to us. Obviously, it's important to them. We're glad to have an opportunity to receive extra budget and then have somewhere to take it that satisfies their campaign goals and makes them, want to come back for more. Another one of our clients, another car dealership in Indiana, actually saw over time their budget, with an even steady budget, they saw consistent reduction in CPM, and so we were able to get more impressions for the same budget, and ultimately that drove down the cost per click. And so it's always nice to see, and you can't count on that in every media, where the cost of the results improves over time, decreases over time. So budgets stay the same, results increased. And I believe that that's because of continued learning and optimizations being done by the Genius Monkey team, where they're taking the budget each month, taking the learnings from the prior period, and saying, what can we do to make incremental improvement in the next flight and create improved results for lower cost for the client. And so that just continuously makes us look like the genius or the heroes, and our clients like it that way, we like it that way, and that's really nice, especially compared to some self-serve platform where you would have to do all of that yourself and figure that out, which quite honestly might be impossible. You'd have to develop the competency and the expertise yourself. And what's nice about this is it's really plug and play. You jump in, they've got the competency and the expertise. You just need to communicate with them clear goals, clear metrics, KPIs, what you're trying to accomplish, and they take it from there. They figure out the technical aspects of this, and like our experience.
They do all that wiring behind the scenes and deliver the results, deliver the goods.